Good morning, everyone. I am Krisha Mange, and today I am thrilled to dive into an exciting topic, the future of operating system in the era of artificial intelligence. So, this is my presentation, which I will be talking about. We all know that the operating system are the silent heroes behind our devices, managing everything from apps to hardware. But what if they could do more? What if instead of just executing the commands, they could learn, adapt, and even predict what we need before we ask? Imagine an operating system that does not just run programs, but actively optimizes your workflow, enhances security autonomously, and even customizes itself based on your habits. In the age of artificial intelligence, this is not just a possibility, it's becoming a reality. Today we will explore how AI is transforming operating system into smart, intuitive platforms that will change the way we interact with the technology. From traditional to intelligent systems. In the past, operating systems were static, designed to follow commands and perform tasks like managing files or allocating the memory. But now, with AI, operating systems are becoming intelligent. Imagine an operating system that learns your habits, predicts your needs, and automatically optimizes resources. For example, if you open certain apps daily, your operating system could allocate more processing power to those apps while reducing the background load, making everything faster and smoother. Smart resource management. AI is also transforming how operating system manage resources like battery, CPU and memory. Instead of using fixed rules, future operating system will monitor real-time conditions and adjust instantly. Your laptop might learn that you are about to attend a meeting, so it automatically boosts performance for your video conferencing app while reducing power usage elsewhere. No need for you to change settings. Everything just works better, longer, and more effectively. Enhanced security and privacy. Security is a huge concern in today's digital world. An AI powered operating system will make your device even safer. Imagine if your operating system could detect suspicious login attempts or unauthorized data transfer before they even happen. AI can recognize malware patterns faster than the traditional antivirus programs, preventing threats before they reach you. It's like having a digital bodyguard that always on alert, ensuring your data stays protected. Integration with cloud and edge computing. As we connect more devices to the cloud, AI will help operating system manage data across platforms more effectively. Whether it's your smartphone, smart home devices, or self-driving car, AI will decide what tasks to process locally and what to send to the cloud. This real-time decision making will ensure that your devices perform at lightning speed, whether they are connected to the cloud or working independently. Personalized user experience, one of the most exciting aspects of AI in operating system is how personalized they will become. Rather than just responding to your commands, your operating system will start understanding your intent. It could automatically open the apps you use in the morning, remind you about your to-do list, or adjust the settings based on your schedule. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your device, predicting what you need before you even ask for. Now, further, we will be seeing the challenges and the ethics. With all this AI power comes a need for responsibility. We will need to ensure that these intelligent systems are secure and transparent. It's essential that developers prioritize system and transparent. It's essential that developers prioritize data privacy and make sure that the AI does not misuse the personal information while providing these amazing features. So the future of operating system is not just about running programs. It's about creating a smart, adaptive ecosystem that learns and evolves with you. From security to personalization, AI is turning operating system into the brain of our device. It's an exciting time ahead where your operating system won't just work for you, it will work with you. Thank you.